Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in the sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough.
What are you doing here? I like your mouth.
Lemonade.
Sorry.
Yeah, lemonade was sparkling water.
He's so cute. Hi. Hi.
We're back at Barnes & Noble.
This teacher is very ratchet.
Okay, did I ask?
Fun, says Mom. Oh, it is Jan. I like her.
You like
I
it?
scared. I tried so hard to get
Do you
it.
want it?
Yeah.
Then tell Auntie PC. You want that one?
Instead of liquor on my tight jeans, and it's never been as easy. Cause when you're lying with me, I just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep.
What color is that?
Pink.
Are you sure?
See?
Is it
It's pretty. Oh, it's neon. It glows in the dark.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Red. My favorite color.
Yeah, it's all pink right here. All red and pink. Are you getting excited?
Yeah.
Guess who's in the car with us now?
Yeah.
You
Hi.
can take off your mask.
I haven't been in this for like a long time.
Are you happy in the car with me, Uncle Victor now? Yeah. And Alyssa. You guys gonna go get our food for our little late Father's Day? Yeah. And then we're gonna go to my older sister's house to do Father's Day and eat some good food. And I took out my glasses because my glasses are dirty.
Hi.
Are you ready? Do
Yeah.
you like your new book?
Yeah. It's easy.
That's good. You could practice your words with it, right?
Yeah.
Stop it! You stop it!
Maya, chị kêu có từ đẹp, chị kêu có từ sao? Maya, no, Maya, no, Maya. Khá nè lo. Cô mai tay, mu, khá nè nè. Go away, mai tay, mai tay, mai tay, mai tay. Thôi khá nè nè. You hold it. Hold it. There you go. Wow.
Oh, talo chena. Mama, you want to Mama?
Aku.
Mama.
Yeah, we see you only. Is that you? Oh, look at eyes. Aku, are you so silly? Aku olala. Oh no.
Liana, we need to tell your mom to go to the farm with you.
Hi!
Oh, sai. Look at her.
Đừng thay nhá dầu thế nào. Chỉ có còn nhiều nhá.
Oh, Uncle Sai come fight you. Oh, Uncle Sai bad. over there. Happy late Father's Day, Dad. Oh, a pump. Oh, there's cherry Pepsi. Oh. Oh yeah, it is all cherries. Oh no, it's not. That's grape. Microwave it, oven it. The chicken. That's cold chicken. Dad, what are you eating, Dad?
Hey, chicken little.
You eat chicken little? That's not chicken little, that's one.
Yeah, chicken little.
That's dumpling.
Good. Tastes good.
Yeah.
Macaron. That's good.
Are you boss? Yeah?
Cái lên cho cô ra nó thì chế nè.
Okay, Ada. No more. Okay.
Con bảo tao làm rồi chứ, có tôi cho chỗ tao đó.
Okay, here, I help you. No, I help you.
Chia cho
Okay, record yourself then.
Yeah.
See? Hi. Ma, you gotta teach her how to turn it towards her.
Hôm nay chắc Uncle Michael, look, Uncle Michael. Oh, look, Uncle Michael. See, Uncle Michael bad.
Just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet. You're dripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough.
Thanks for cutting the cake. I'm recording. Can you get us a piece? Yay! Yeah. Dad don't like chocolate. No. Mom, Dad, come on, cake on. Dad, come on, cake on. Here you go. Dad, come on, cake on. What is she doing?
She's throwing a tantrum, fool.
Why her feet look like that? Did you see her feet? I thought she was marching for a moment. I was like, what are you marching for, fool?
Oh, you're such a good boy, huh? Hey, Baba. Hey, Baba.
Kiss.
Hey, doggy.
Hello, guys.
You copy Pogo?
Don't eat that.
No.
Are you gonna say hi? I'm faster than you guys. Take me.
You hold it? Hey, you're supposed to record Pogo.
Oh.
You're supposed to record Pogo and us walking. Come on, babe. You mean boy? What's that? That's that, Uncle.
No, by the way, I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. Okay, come on.
Okay. Oh, I'm not daddy. Come on, go.
Uncle Victor, not daddy.
Okay. No, I'm not daddy. Daddy over there.
Uncle Victor, your daddy?
I'm not your daddy.
Are you Uncle Victor, your daddy? Yeah?
No.
No, that only Uncle.
Ew.
Ariel, what's his name?
Say hi, cutie.
Hi, cutie.
Ariel, what's his name?
My uncle.
Uncle what? Uncle Victor?
Uh-huh.
Say it.
Your name, Uncle Victor.
Who's that? Who's that?
Not Uncle Victor.
Is that Uncle Victor? Are you sir?
Okay, let's go
Okay,
home.
come on.
Let's go home. Come on, let's go.
Bye.
I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need.